Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I have this special unboxing. I'm not sure what is this. I try to track the numbers and everything, but I'm not sure where this package come from. On the label, it just says East Coast Fulfillment Center. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and unbox it. As you can see, I'm wearing this rubber glove for my protection, and I got this Clorox wipe. I'm gonna wipe it down real quick. Because I have viewers want me to practice safety to unbox this, so go ahead and put this pull tag. Yeah, wearing the glove is gonna be hard, and then this thing is not coming off, so gonna have problem here. Let me try to get the scissor. It's supposed to be make it easier, instead it's making it more difficult to open. Oh my god, what is this? What? I didn't order no 350, did I? This is crazy. Hey guys, it says this is Yeezy 350. Maybe it's from Adidas that I won, that I didn't even know. I'm not sure. I gotta see which one is this one, because I'm kind of shocked right now. Last time I tried to do the live copying, and then I did not get it. So I'm not sure if this is from Yeezy Supply or Adidas app. Oh my god. Wow. Hey guys, so this is one is 350. Let's go and then take this out. So the box is kind of crushed a little bit right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see the crease. And then right there, indentation right here. So this is a surprise unboxing. I don't even know what to say. And this is the original authentic one, not fake or replica. So this is 350s. Got the boost. And then you got the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Adidas logo has to be right in the center. So I guess this time around they folded down now. Before you could see the cardboard right here still. and got the crease line right here, probably from the packaging, that is all from the shipping. There's another line right there, and then there's nothing on this side, nothing on the bottom. Got a crease line right here and then right there. So let's go ahead and show you guys the label real quick. Oh my goodness. It's a Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 9.5, FX 9035. That's such. Oh my goodness. And this one is made in India. Huh. Wow. So this is the first time that Yeezy Boost 350 is made in India. No more is in China, Vietnam, now it's to India. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we got. What? Oh my god. Wow, look at that. It's a 3M reflective right here. This is the original tag. I don't understand. I thought I didn't get this one, so I'm not sure why is it shipped it to me. I better check on my credit card and stuff like that, and on my PayPal. And you got the Adidas logo, and then Yeezy on the insole. So right here it's kind of like a greenish color. So is the knit. And then you got the silver stripe right here. That is 3M reflective. And it is not see-through. And then this one is like a yellow outsole right there. Then you got your boost. Then you got this green lace. Also on the tip as well. Got this bright orange. This one around is not 3M reflective. It's kind of weird, so. So let's show you guys the inside. So manufacture date is February 2020. Be sure to get the article number FX 9035 in there. Let me take out the insole. What is that? Maybe that's a glue. So this is the insole right here. It is in orange on the top. Be sure to look at this cutout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the bottom, it is in white color. Be sure to look for this YH0010, 8.5 to 9.5. And be sure to look at this Adidas logo and then on the leaf. You better look for those small tiny dots. Check out this real quick. And be sure to look for that U shape or hose shape. Yeah, I'm not sure why I got this pair because I thought I didn't get it, so I'm not sure what's going on here. So let's go ahead and check out the other shoes. And the shoes tree is pretty soft. And this is the other side of it. You got the boots right here. Adidas. Somehow these two fabric right here by the tongue section of the lace system, it is much brighter. So be sure to look at the insole. It is in the opposite direction. And it's pretty padded like always on the back here. Go ahead and zoom in the tag again. And look for the U shape again. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised why over here the 3 is not 3M reflective. So this is what's it look like without the light shining at it. So it looks like a gray color or kind of like a silver without the light. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. I'm still kind of shocked right now to receive this pair. I don't know what to say because I thought I didn't get this pair, so I'm not sure how to get here. I didn't get any confirmation or anything like that. So anyway, hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.